skincare lovers, and welcome back to my channel. Are you battling with redness, sunburn, dark spots, pimples, hyperpigmentation, wrinkles on your face? I'm going to share with you guys how you can make this face cream that you can use to treat those things on your face, and this is going to help to brighten up your face and smooth your face. Okay, this recipe is very effective, like super effective. Some ingredients I'm going to mix together. Some of them you can use just only that on your face, but just imagine mixing it together. It's going to give you a fast result. This recipe is tested and trusted, so if you're battling with those things I just mentioned, this video is for you. Watch this video to the very end. Please, this has to do with face. Feel free to ask questions. I'm available to answer you because this has to do with face. I'm gonna list the ingredients I'm gonna use, just few ingredients, 4 of them, and I'm also gonna tell you guys the price so you won't make mistake why buy it, so you can get the original one. Okay, so the first ingredient I'm gonna introduce to you guys is my aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel helps to lightening up the face, smooth redness, treat sunburn, dark spots, and pimples. But for aloe vera to get rid of pimples, dark spots, lightening the face, you have to use and use. It's not like something 2 weeks or 1 week result. Okay, so you have to use and use before you get that perfect result, but this will help to smoothen your face and treat your face. Okay, then the next one, this I got this for 3,000 naira. Then the next one I have here is Ariza Gold. Ariza Gold, I made a review about this. I told you guys that you can use this direct on your face to get rid of sunburn, but mixing this together, you're going to get the result fast. For example, if you are to see the result using this alone on your face in 2 weeks, because you mix it this way, you're going to get the fast result and the best result as well. Okay, so we're going to use one. I got this for 2,500 naira. Then the next one I have here is Dermovate face cream. This is a tube, but not a whitening tube. This is a treatment tube. This helps to get rid of dark spots, redness, sun damage, and smooth the face and brightening your face gradually. Okay, then the next one I have here is miracle powder. You guys know how much I love miracle powder. That is because it's very effective when it comes to treating your face or skin, be it stretch mark, green vein, be it redness, sunburn, or dark spots. This is very important. If you are making a face cream for treatment, or body lotion for treatment, or soap for treatment, or scrub for treatment, this is very important. Even if it's for whitening or lightening, add this to prevent anything like skin irritation while using those products. Okay, so we have our miracle powder. This is 800 naira. Okay, all these things here might be cheaper in your location. Okay, it might be cheaper in your location, it might be more expensive in your location depending where you are watching from. Okay, so I have just this is what I'm going to use to mix this. Okay, so I'll first add this, my Dermovate tube first. Please make sure you clean your bowl very well, or whatever you want to use to mix this very well. Okay, so I'm gonna add this. Just feel free to do this, guys. It's very effective. Just try this and get back to me. Is very effective, like super effective. And if you want to get the best results, like fast results, maybe you have an event to attend, you're rushing, you want to get the best result, this is not a bleaching, okay, it's a treatment. So this is what you should do. Make a face cleanser. If you can, please make sure you know what you are doing, because this has to do with face. Okay, make yourself a treatment face cleanser, not a whitening face cleanser. Okay, then use it to clean your face every night before using this. If you do react using cotton wool to clean your face, then get a spray bottle and transfer the cleanser into it and spray it on your face every night. Then allow it to dry and you apply this treatment on it. Do this every night, okay? And make sure you scrub as well. It's very important. Scrub your face twice a week. Do not use salt scrub to scrub your face, okay? Use sugar, because sugar is not harsh on the face. So I used one of them of it. The reason why I said you should use salt, this is how the Ariza Gold looks like. This is how it looks like I said, I got this for 2,500 naira and I got this for 2,000 naira. So people are selling 2,500. So the reason why I said you should use sugar scrub instead of salt is because it's harsh on the face. So use sugar on your face if you want to scrub your face, because your face is very sensitive. No matter how stubborn your skin is, your face is sensitive. So don't use salt scrub on your face, use sugar. So this is how it looks like. It's small. Don't mind the container. You see it, just little. This is it. I'm using everything. It's just little inside. Yeah, it's very thick, but you don't need to add this rose water, okay? Don't add this rose water, just mix it like that. Though when you add your aloe vera gel, it's gonna make it more lighter, but even at that, I know most of you don't like it when your face cream is thick, but this, you have to use it like that, okay, if you want to get the best results. It's very hard to come out from this, so I have to use my hands to, you know, my finger to bring it out. If not, it's not going to come out. Though I don't have sunburn, but this is to show you that you can apply this direct on your face, okay? I'll go ahead and add the aloe vera gel. Just 1 spoon of aloe vera gel. If you do have redness on your face, maybe small thing, your face is red, make aloe vera gel your best friend. It helps a lot. You do have a rough face, make aloe vera gel your best friend. Aloe vera gel is very effective. So you go ahead and mix this, stir this together. It's very thick, but I'm not going to add rose water on this. So I'll go ahead and add my miracle powder, just a pinch of miracle powder. This is small but mighty, okay? So just a pinch, you don't need to add much, just a pinch of it, a pinch of miracle powder. Okay, so please make sure you mix this very well, okay? Make sure you mix everything together. So this is how it's gonna look after mixing them together. But if you add much miracle powder, it's gonna look more darker than this. Like you guys know, miracle powder to change color of your product, okay? So the reason why it's even light, the texture is light, is because I added aloe vera gel. If not, this is very, very thick. So just mix this together and apply this only at night, and you want to get the best results. Make sure you're using this with sunscreen. Make sunscreen your best friend. Use sunscreen every time, every day. So that is just it. Remember, get yourself a face cleanser, very nice treatment face cleanser, and get yourself a sunscreen and scrub your face twice a week, okay? Not 3 times, twice in a week. And please make sure you're using sugar scrub, not salt, okay? And believe me, this is very effective, like super effective. So with 10,000 naira, you'll be able to do this. Like I said, depending on your location, you might spend lesser, you might spend higher. So this is very, very effective. So I'm looking forward for you guys feedback, because I know that this is gonna give you what you want, okay? So say bye to redness and sunburn, dark spots on your face, okay? So this is end of this video. Feel free to ask questions like I said, and let me know what you think about this video or this face cream. See you guys on my next video. Please help me to subscribe, smash the like button, share with your friends and family. Love you guys. Bye.